Welcome back to RamZland. Today I want to show you what different blood samples look like under a microscope. Check this out.
So for this investigation, I'm using safety lancets, blank slides, slip covers, and of course my microscope. So before using your lancet, make sure that you use an alcohol swab to clean your finger. While pressing on your finger, take the lancet and poke the side of your finger. And it'll just feel a little prick, and then you're gonna squeeze your finger over the slide. So you wanna get one drop. You don't get a drop of blood right away, just kind of work your finger back and forth until a drop of blood falls on your slide. So I'm almost there. And I have a drop of blood on my slide. Take your slip cover and cover your drop of blood. So they should look like this. Now you're ready to put that under your microscope.
Hopefully you saw some little round donut-shaped red blood cells under the microscope. Remember, your body can create between 2 and 3 million red blood cells per second. That's up to 200 billion in a day. Your red blood cells have a flexible plasma membrane that allow them to squeeze through your capillaries, and they live for about 120 days. Inside your red blood cells, there's no nucleus, but instead there's hemoglobin. That's the protein that carries oxygen to your body. I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time. If you enjoyed this presentation, be sure to remember to like and subscribe.